really unrealistic. It'd be cool to pretend that I'm flying or punching through a wall or something.
Gusto ko ever since ninja or assassin. So yun mo na lang yung gusto ko. Action.
Nadine is the newest it girl, the cover girl, the hit singer, and the successful actress. But it wasn't an easy path for Nadine, who started her career at a young age.
Simula po ako sa... It's a kids variety show in RPN9. I used to host, dance, and sing. Doon po. So, batang-bata pa lang. I think I was 9. Yung sa RPN9, yung show ko na. It was fun kasi may ibang mga bata. As I was growing older, hindi ko in-expect na parang didiretsuhin ko. Kasi parang nag-mature na, so medyo seryoso na hindi sila laro gano'n. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin po. It was really my mom who encourages me lang po na mag-audition. So after that, I did commercials, I did modeling. Tapos, nag-15 po ako, there was an audition for a girl group, yung Pop Girls nga po. It's a sing and dance group. Yung sa Pop Girls naman po, kasi I love dancing. Though hindi ako ganun kagaling kumanta. So, give it a try. So, try lang naman. Kung hindi, it's not for me. Pero kung papasok, okay, that's good. Akala po, hindi ko talaga gusto mag-showbiz. So, di po kasi akong kabahay, nag-tense ako, nahihiya ako. So, ayoko po.
Nadine persevered and went on to do numerous projects. But about a decade later, despite spending more than half her life in showbiz, the big break she had been waiting for still remained to be elusive. This led her to think that showbiz might not be in the stars for her.
I was really depressed actually. This was after Pop Girls. Tapos I had several projects po with the other network. Tapos po, after that, natapos na po yung teleserye, natapos na po yung variety shows, everything, nawala. So, tenga po, in short. Viva was still pushing me, Boss Vic was still telling me na parang, meron niya may darating na project ako, bahala sa'yo, ganyan. Ako po talaga, I was giving up kasi nag-aaral na po ako, sabi ko wala na to, hindi na. I was taking up communication art. My major po was film. So, doon din po ako pupunta. But it's easy for me to get a job. Yun po, nag-give up po talaga ako. Tapos until Diary ng Pangit came. Ito naman po kasi sa Diary ng Pangit, we don't really have to act sweet. Kasi palagi po kami mag-aaway dito. Away-bati po kami.
First impression ko, parang mga bagets na ito na gustong i-launch ng Viva. I-launch nga daw si James and Nadine kasama si Yasi Pressman at si Andre Paras. Make or break ito for you kids and also for me. Diba? So sabi ko nung una, parang that's my biggest challenge kasi I don't know Nadine as an actor at nung time na yon kailangan ng comedic time. At every step of the way, ituturo mo sa kanya, kay Nadine, pati kay James, yung pagkilos, pag-deliver ng mga lines, sa mga dialogues nila, kailangan turuan sila and also the punchlines, ganyan. Okay naman. Na-achieve naman.
Natural lang talaga yung chemistry ng dalawa eh. Kahit nakita pa lang natin yung shoots nila na parang when they smile at each other, click na click, yung meron silang magkakaintindihan talaga sa isa't isa. They don't try hard.
Ay, marami po kami nung nag-shoot kami for Diary ng Pangit. Kasi school po kasi siya eh. So yung story tumatakbo sa amin and then dun sa buong school mismo. So marami po kami very group. So palagi po pag nag-shoot po kami, enjoy, marami kaming kasama, maingay kami sa tent, music, masaya po.
Masaya kami sa mag-shoot namin hanggang sa mall shoots namin, hanggang sa off-screen namin. Sa totoo lang, tatlo yung tent namin. Pero lahat kami dun sa isang tent lang. So talagang naging bonding and work siya at the same time. Talagang friends kami na kahit after na magkakahiwalay kami ng work, we still have time for each other.
They might have landed their first star, but being newbies in the industry, James and Nadine experienced some setbacks in their road to success.
Our first ever mall show, right? Sa Subic. We had our first mall show sa Subic, sa Harper Point po. To promote Diary ng Pangit.
And
No, yeah.
people really me, I died down. So I thought, you know, old star. Nadine is a new face. Also Andre and Yasi. Also people didn't expect it to be big. And as the mall shows went on,
Padami na po ng padami yung tao.
as in like more like thousands.
Dami po, like, pati po kaming apat po talaga. Nagugulat na lang po kami sa dami ng pumupunta sa ticket sales. Kasi we were pre-selling the tickets na po. So we were really surprised.
Despite starting off with a humble following, Diary ng Pangit created a stir and managed to earn more than 100 million pesos in box office returns. A surprising turnout for this breakout love team.
Parang hindi ko rin po nagsisink in lahat to. Lahat po na nangyayari sa akin. Hindi ko po nananaginip pa ako.
And I'm proud of myself. Thank you so much. I never dreamed of doing what I'm doing.
They've both gone through a lot when they started their showbiz careers, but these sacrifices all just became part of their sweet victory. From being individuals trying to carve their own name and niche in the industry, they became partners. A love team that is revered by their adoring fans. J. Dean.